Nippon Steel and Sumikin Metal Products Company Limited is a core member of Nippon Steel Group. We have 8 plants in Japan. As a leading company in the field of cold-formed steel products, we provide various products to the building, construction, and civil engineering markets. We can manufacture the world's largest rectangular hollow sections by cold rolling. Hollow structural sections are mainly used for steel frame structures. They are also widely used for plant structures, roads, railways, vehicles, construction and agricultural machines, and many more. These are the HSS construction examples of office buildings and stadiums. In Japan, HSS is also used as car park pillars. This is the example of warehouse in America constructed by tilt-up method. HSS is used as braces and pillars for this case. Next, there are examples of trusses. It is widely used for airports, factories, stadiums, gymnasiums, and so on. These are the examples as cargo stands of regular vehicles and machines such as for agriculture and construction. Oil pipeline racks, bridges, and sign poles. Now we'd like to introduce the Hirohata Works, our main plant. It consists of 3 lines. These lines can manufacture HSS with dimensions ranging from 7 to 22 inches long and wall thickness from 0.180 to 0.875 inches. In the field of cold-formed sections, 22-inch sections are the largest in the world. The material is hot coil of consistently high quality, made by the Nippon Steel Corporation. The hot coil is uncoiled and transferred to stands at the rolling mills. As you see, the material is formed into round shape, welded by high-frequency welding, cut along the bead portion, and formed from a round to square shape. After the marking, cutting, and finishing processes, the final products are transferred to the warehouse. After passing through our inspection system, products are shipped around the world. Our HSS meets international standards such as ASTM A500, EN 10219, and Japanese Industrial Standard G3466. Both square and rectangular HSS are available. Square dimensions are from 2 by 2 by 0.18 inches to 22 by 22 by 0.875 inches. Rectangular dimensions are from 4 by 2 by 0.18 inches to 24 by 12 by 0.75 inches. Now we'd like to move on to the explanation on applications for construction field. In Japan, pillars for steel frame structures started as light gauge section and transited to wide flange, then to wide flange with 2 welded plates, and finally to HSS, the standard for now. During such a transition, Nsmp worked on penetrating an Enlightenment movement such as contracting research to Tokyo University. Entering CID-ECT, International Committee for the Study and Development of Tubular Construction, Drawing Design Manual and Joint Process Manual, promoting towards designing offices, and so on. As a result, large-size HSS demand showed a rapid growth after 1979. In 1981, the Building Standard Act was revised, and rigid frame structure became the major in replacement of brace structure for its superiority in design and seismic force. This led to further demand growth of HSS. There are 6 merits of using HSS. First, the compressive strength is high, so the weight will be more than 20% lighter than wide flange with the same strength. Second, the surface area is 35% smaller than wide flange, so you can lessen the amount of refractory coating and anti-corrosion coating. Third, there is no directivity for square dimensions, so designing is easy. Fourth, it is strong against twist, so it is most suitable for road signs and light pillars, where wind load works, and machines and vehicles where torsional load works. Fifth, it lessens processing costs for its process easiness compared to round pipe. And lastly, it is human-friendly material for its closed cross-section and good appearance. HSS is extremely strong against torsional loads, and these are examples of road signs and light pillars. This is the table that shows the first merit, the high compressive strength. It is comparing HSS to the wide flange with the same strength. It is clear in the table HSS is 23% lighter and the surface area is 37% smaller than the wide flange, leading to a drastic decrease in the coating amount. When fire resistance performance is required, HSS needs to be coated with a refractory material just like other steel materials. Coating could be done by spraying, twining, painting, and many more. In between such choices, spraying is the most popular and cost-effective way. One major spraying material is sprayed rock wool. And twined rock wool would be one example of twining material. These are the applications of fire-resistant painting. HSS could be very easily processed compared to round pipe for its flat surface. Now we would like to introduce to you some connection samples. One is the simple shear connection. First, joint metal is attached to the pillar surface. A gusset plate is used for this case. Then, wide flange beam is bolted to the gusset plate, and the pillar to truss connection will be completed. Another way is by attaching cut T or 2 angles to the pillar as the joint metal. These are the applications of simple shear connections. And these are the rigid connection samples. Since rigid connection needs to transfer the truss bending stress to the pillar, reinforcement by through diaphragm or inner diaphragm thick column for panel portion and such will be necessary. This is one example of the rigid connection. Next is the connection sample of column to column. After welding the columns, erection piece is removed so it won't trouble the attachment of walls and such. This is the sample of an open flume type column base nailed by anchor bolt. This base plate is also used as wide flange base. Our HSS is widely supported by our customers for its high quality of flat degree and uniformed corner R. This makes HSS an easy material for robot welding. As the pioneer of HSS, we have done many full-scale experiments and analysis and have widely extended our knowledge. Nippon Steel and Sumikin Metal Products will keep on doing advanced research and development to provide original products and innovative ideas. HSS contributes to enriching our social infrastructure and creating a comfortable environment. We hope you will adopt our excellent HSS for a multitude of projects and designs. For any requirements, please do not hesitate in contacting us. Nothing is too small for us to hear. Thank you.